Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Eeyore from Winnie the Pooh. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Eeyore from Winnie the Pooh, let's begin by drawing the eyes. So let's start right here, and let's make a nice oval shape for one eye. Then we're going to leave just a little bit of space and we'll make that next eye. And you want to try to make it about the same size, and it's okay if it's not perfect. Now for the eyelids, we're going to make a line that's going to come up at an angle, and we're going to do the same thing over here. Then we're just going to make a little smiley face shape inside each one for the pupil, and we can go ahead and color those in. Then let's draw a little curved line underneath each eye. Now, starting here, we're going to make his nose and mouth. So I'm going to start right here, and we're going to draw a nice big smiley face shape like this. And let's draw a little line at the end of each one. Right here, let's draw two little ovals that we color in for his nose. Let's draw a line that comes out and in on each side for part of his mouth. Then let's bring this line up, and let's bring this line up for the sides of his head. Now he's got some hair on top of his head. So let's just make some little zigzag lines right across the top here. And then we can make some little zigzag lines right across there. Now let's give him a little eyebrow at an angle, and then another little eyebrow at an angle here. Then we're going to curve this line across. Then we're going to make a little line that comes down. And we're going to draw a couple little lines on here. Now to draw the ears, let's make a line that comes down and up, kind of like a pointy oval. And same thing here, just kind of down and back up like a pointy oval. We're going to curve this line up, and we're going to curve this line up. Next, I'm going to bring this line down with a curve, and we're going to bring this line down with a curve for the body. Then let's make a little line that's going to curve around here for his foot, and we'll do the same thing here, kind of curve out and then bring it back. Let's bring this line up and in, and let's bring this line up and in. And let's make a nice little line that connects it. Next, let's curve this line down, and let's curve this line down. Then let's curve this line around to here, and let's curve this line around to here. Now we got to add a little bit of detail onto Eeyore. So right here, let's make a line that's just going to curve up to his arm. And we'll do that same thing, just kind of curve this up to the arm. Then on the foot, let's curve this line down, and let's curve this line down. Then let's make a sad face for his stomach. Now on these lines we just drew, we can add some extra little lines on here to kind of make it look like he's been sewn up. And even a couple here. Then the last thing we want to do is add his tail. So let's begin by drawing a line that curves up and down. Then we're going to draw a bow on here. To draw the bow, let's make a circle. Let's go up at an angle and down at an angle. Then connect. We'll do that same thing here. Go up at an angle, down at an angle, and then connect. We'll make a line here and a line here. Now at the end of his tail, we're just going to make some little pointed lines that go up and then down for his furry tail. And there you go, there is your drawing of Eeyore from Winnie the Pooh. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.